Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're someone who's always on the lookout for the best products to make your grooming routine smoother, we might just have the perfect solution for you today. Let's talk about the Flamingo Pubic Hair Razor for women. A razor designed specifically for delicate areas, offering both precision and comfort. Before we jump into the review, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss out on more honest beauty insights. Now let's dive in. The Flamingo Pubic Hair Razor comes in a complete starter set that includes a razor handle, 4 5-blade refills, and even a shower holder for convenience. This razor is dermatologist and gynecologist tested, ensuring that it's safe for sensitive skin. That's a big deal when it comes to intimate grooming, where irritation can be a real concern. The razor's design features 5 ultra-sharp blades and a flexible head that ensures a close, smooth shave, especially in those hard-to-reach areas. The flexible hinge is a key element here. It allows the razor to easily navigate curves, making it easier to trim those tricky spots, and it feels really intuitive to use. Plus, the handle is equipped with an all-over grip that prevents slipping, even when wet, giving you that extra level of control. I had the chance to test this razor, and one of the first things I noticed was how lightweight it feels. It doesn't feel heavy or clunky, which is important when you're using it for such a delicate area. The blade glides smoothly, reducing the tugging or pulling that can cause irritation. After using it for a few shaves, my skin felt smooth and soft, without any redness or bumps, a clear indication of its gentle design. Now, let's go over the pros and cons. On the plus side, the razor is easy to maneuver, and the 5 blades deliver a super close shave. It's designed with sensitive skin in mind, so if you're someone prone to irritation or bumps, you'll likely appreciate the comfort it offers. The all-over grip handle is definitely a standout feature, giving you control and making the whole shaving process feel more secure. On the downside, the razor may not be as long-lasting as other higher-end options out there. The refills, while effective, could be a little more durable for the price point, but they still do the job well for a few shaves. Also, while the flexible head is great for curves, I found it took a little extra effort to shave in some areas, especially around the bikini line, where I typically need more precision. When it comes to value for money, the Flamingo Razor is fairly priced for what it offers. You get a complete kit with a shower holder, which makes storage easy and organized. The quality of the razor, especially for sensitive areas, justifies its price, even though the refills may need to be replaced a bit more often than you'd like. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. As for alternatives, you could consider razors like the Chic Hydro Silk or the Gillette Venus Sensitive, both of which also cater to sensitive skin and provide a smooth shave. While the Flamingo Razor holds its ground, it's always good to have options, especially if you're looking for something with different features or a lower price point. So, does the Flamingo Pubic Hair Razor live up to the hype? For sensitive skin, it absolutely does. It's a great option for those who want a gentle shave, especially in areas that require precision and care. While it may not be the most durable razor out there, it's definitely effective and easy to use, making it a solid choice for anyone looking for a high-quality shaving experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.